So I'm discussing about the Facebook page cross posting and using for Facebook Premiere video. That is called Facebook live streaming video. So first of all, go to settings. In the settings option call is the option call is you can using for cross posting. In this cross posting, we can add your Facebook pages in this. I'm adding for Facebook page. So select hello Rakesh your page cross posting their live video to your page without further approval. Remember this cross posting only for videos, not for the images. This cross posting only for videos, not for the images. Click for next. Click for done. So it will be approved. So after click for your page, how do we do the cross posting your question? First of all, go to photo or video, upload photo or video. In this, first select the video. The video only for MP4 format. The video only for MP4 format. Just add your title. In this, tag your title. This time I'm writing. You're writing for digital market training. Digital marketing course. Digital marketing institute. Class. Other. After that, adding your title then. After that, next, go to your thumbnail. In this, add your thumbnail here. So that is your based on requirement. Add your thumbnails. Select your photograph. Next, subtitle. Here will be subtitle will be English. You will create for the poll. That will be are you looking digital marketing course location Madhapur IT city. So both places will be parallel. You can write in for here for so create your poll. Done. After that, tracking purpose, add your category, education, add my person name in this, adding for training. Next, click for next. First, I'm adding for video details, thumbnails, subtitle, poll creation, tracking your option. Next, click for next. Here, publish now, premiere, schedule close, backdate and save date. Publish option will be have newsfeed, display in watch, allow embedding, or else add your pages here for cross posting on your option here. Or else we can go for premiere in this. Allow the page, select it. Here all pages will be there. Yes or no? Select here. Which page are you posting on this option? Select. So anything you will be select. Click for publish. At any time you can posting for 5 pages, include my page, That is called Premier Live Streaming. Premier Live Streaming. The time will be 10 minutes to 7 working days. So here I am give the time will be here. That is called 9:00. That is called 9:00 p.m. Exact 9 o'clock will be evening. The video will be published going for streaming for total 6 pages. One is the own page, second will be remaining 5 pages will be premium pages on your Facebook page option. So this will be accept here. Will start your posting this option. Wait for posting your video. So I'm uploading video here done. That will be 9 p.m. 8 will be upload by will be premiere video total 6 pages along with your own page. Total will be 6 pages. 5 will be remaining pages. Once premiere will be start, remaining pages also will be start by your Facebook premiere video for along with your primary page also. This is called create by the cross posting for multiple videos uploading on the Facebook page, one page to another page, crossing by the when uploading video time. This will be help for your Facebook earning. One page will be posting, all pages will be posted by your total videos.